Dear students, now you can see all the components using in a non-inverting amplifier. The first one from the left side, this is a function generator. This is two power supplies, op-amp, the breadboard, 4 resistors and oscilloscope. You can see this resistor is 33K. This is also 33K. We can choose as a R1. And this is R2 150K and 150K. So I choose 33K options. Okay, now first we will connect the function generator to the breadboard. See, now you can see that the plus is connected to the positive line and the minus connected to the negative line. Then see, now you can see the circuit. See, R1 connected to the pin number 2. R1 connected to pin number 2. Also another R1 connected to pin number 3. See, now R1 connected to pin number 2 and the negative terminal, that is negative in common ground. So ground, it is connected. The R1 one side is ground. So ground means negative terminal or common point. All negatives are join here or connect here. That is called ground or common point. The next R1 connected to pin number 3, but it is not connecting to ground. So it is connecting to input. So we will connect as a input as this. This is the input. The positive terminal is the input. So here the input, here the ground. Now the resistor 2 connected to terminal 2 of the op-amp or pin number 2 of the op-amp, and the other side of the resistor connected to where pin number 6 output terminal. Now you can see that the other terminal of the resistor connected to the op-amp output point. This is op-amp output point. Or we can use as a output common in one of these lines. So no need to connect like that. We delete this one, we delete, and we connect to here, and we can connect the output 6 to here. So it is connected. Now the other one terminal of the resistor and pin number 6 is connected. So now this is our output terminal. All this positive line is our output terminal. Now this resistor, second resistor R2 connected to pin number 3 of the op-amp. The one of the R1 is connected in the same pin number, and the other point we connected to ground again. It is showing in the picture R2 connected to the ground. So here we will connect the ground. So we will choose the black for all negative connection or ground connection. Black for all negative or ground connection. Now we connect the power supply. So how we will connect the power supply? The positive of the terminal, this we can consider as a negative power supply. So negative connected to terminal number 4. So here the 4, and the positive of the next power supply connected to the terminal number 7. Okay, see the power supply connections. Connect like this. Then we will take because of thinker card there is so many restrictions, that's why we connected like this. But in real case we can connect the terminal from the power supply, we can connect direct to the pin number 4. No need to connect anywhere in the breadboard. Directly we can connect the breadboard near the pin number, the hole near the pin number 4. The second power supply, the positive we can connect to the pin number 7, and the negative we can connect to the common point. So we will make, this is a common negative. How we will make, we can connect the negative here. This is the negative, see here also. So this negative and this negative we will join each other. So here this is the negative, so we will change the color. This is black because of negative, and this is black because of negative. Now the output connection to the oscilloscope. So we know that this is our output. So connect the positive terminal to the output. So we consider this is positive and output here, and the negative, that is red color, but this negative is black color. So the negative we connect to the common point, and we can make this one positive red color. So we will make this red color. Okay, this is the complete connection of a op-amp as a non-inverting amplifier. This is the non-inverting amplifier connection on Tinkercad. But in real case, we can reduce number of wires, because in Tinkercad there are many restrictions, because we can directly connect this oscilloscope